This is how to factory reset, hard reset. This is the Vortex HD65 Select. Big screen, 3 circles on the back, camera, and flash. It says Vortex on the back, and this is how we factory reset or hard reset. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Volume up slightly before, volume up, power. And we're waiting for just that tiny menu to show up in the center of the screen. We're going to follow those instructions. It says volume up to select and volume down is okay. So only push volume up to get that arrow to point to the recovery mode. Get that arrow, oh, went too far. And again, I'm only using volume up to scroll up there. Now that I'm pointing the arrow at the recovery mode, let's hit volume down for okay. And there's a few more seconds as it goes through its software, and we're waiting for the fallen Android no command. And now that the fallen Android no command is here, let's hold down the power key, and then we're going to quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, and it brings us the Android recovery menu for the Vortex HD65 Select. Let's use the volume keys now, and we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset and press OK with power. And then one more time to confirm factory data reset. This is going to wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Choose factory data reset, press OK with power. And you'll be able to see here the bottom message, the data wipe is complete, and now it is safe to reboot the system. Press OK with power. Keep in mind, if you've turned on your HD65 Select with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% need your Google or Gmail account to log back into your phone. All right, if this has helped you factory reset, hard reset your Vortex HD65 Select, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.